welcome back to my channel. This is the shade cloth that I buy from Amazon. I just got them in. I ordered these. They're inexpensive. I think it was $10 each. And this one is, I think it's 6 by 12. It doesn't say it on here. I would have to look. I will post the link. Oh, I'm sorry. It's 6 by 8 feet. I thought it was by 12, but no, it's 6 by 8. So I'm gonna place them up. I just use a very simple way. I just use fishing line to hang them up. And I'll show you guys after I hang them up how they look. And yeah, it works good. 30% I think is good for your succulents to continue to have, to create, you know, the farina that everyone likes on the plant. For you guys that have never heard that word, that is just the white powdery consistent that the plant develops. It's a sunblock sort of. It works just like a sunblock for them to protect them from the sun. Anyways, yeah, so I'll be putting these up and then I'll show you guys what they look like than the ones that I've ordered in the past. Definitely it's longer, so that's great. So I have to get pretty creative because I don't have many places where I can attach these from, at least not to make them in the direction that I need them to go. So my plan is to hook it up from the house there and then try to stretch it to all the way over here. I know, and it's not pleasant to look at, but at least the beautifulness of the plants will what's it called, you know, distract the eye from looking up, hopefully. So yeah, so what I do is I like these because they come with this clip. So I'll show you how I use the clip, and it brings extra, so that's good. It brings it how many? 1, 2, 4, 6, I think 10 clips. It brings 10 clips. So I'll obviously clip it in a corner already. It's very easy. And there, once you clip it in, you have to use something to pry it to, you know, to take it out, because it is a little bit difficult to take out. So I'm gonna just clip it on, and I'm gonna show you what I do with the fishing line, because I can't determine yet how long the fishing line is gonna be, because I have to just put it up there and then look. Okay, clipped in. So now I just take it and I just feed it through here. Where are you at? Okay, I feed it through here. And then I'm just gonna keep going with it. I'm gonna pull it as much as I can, and then I'm gonna determine. I won't cut it. I won't cut it until I see how long I need it to be from where I need it. So obviously this is not to cover the greenhouse, so it has to go beyond the greenhouse. See how I don't know if you can see fishing line. Can you see? I can see it. See how my fishing line stretched all the way from there to here? Basically same thing. So I have to stretch it out all the way to where I need to protect this area from the sun. Like I said, this sun is not bad. Morning sun is awesome. It's the afternoon sun that I'm concerned about. Currently at 1:30, this is still getting sun right now because we're in summertime. That's not a, you know, it's not bad, but we do get still up to 85. Anything higher than that, I think possibly can burn them. I'm not sure, but I'm not willing to take that risk at this time right now. Also, we'll get random rain showers, and right after the rain showers we'll have beaming sun, and then that means they'll have water droplets on them, and that can cause the plants to burn as well. So that's my idea behind putting up the shade cloth. So let me just get up there and figure out how that's gonna look. Okay, so as you can see, my shade cloth is up, and I hope that this works out. I also went ahead and put the shade cloth on the greenhouse. It's 30%. A while back ago I used to use another shade cloth, but that one was for plants that needed more shade, so the percentage of coverage was higher. Someone had gifted that to me, but I ordered this one because it's 30%, I guess you want to say, coverage. So what it does is it allows the plant to, you know, get the sun that they need in order to get the beautiful color that they get without getting burned. So that's what that does. And yeah, I went ahead and did that over here, and I hope that when summer comes it actually protects this. That's the goal for that. And I went ahead also and fixed the one that fell down. I cleaned up, as you guys can see. Everything is nice and clean. And guess what, guys? What's missing? What? My husband took out the jet ski, so now it's nice and clean. No, I'm not gonna add more succulents. My husband was like, I envision succulents over here. I'm like, no, honey, that is impossible because so the sun rises from this side, and the only time this area over here against the fence gets sun, that is in the afternoon. So obviously, no. This is, see, it's what, 10:30? I don't know, 10:30. I don't remember what, I think it's around 10:30 to 10:50. And this is getting sun all day. So yeah, I might have to add another shade cloth on this side. So I think I'm gonna have to do that. I'm not sure. I'm gonna continue to monitor the area. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way everything is looking. See if I can give you an overview. Oh, pretty big backyard. So let's just give you an overview. So that's what that looks like. I am so tempted to bring my red table over here with chairs, but it just, I don't know where to put it, where I would like it, because I know that I want to be able to have a good spot where I can see the plants, but also not be like be hitting by the sun, you know. I need some shade, but also I don't want it to start looking cluttered over here. The key thing is for it to stay looking clean. This side is where we shove like our plywood and stuff that we have. My husband might like make a door for that so it could look neater. I'm not sure. So yeah, and also he had warned me that he's gonna need the papers back. So I will have to be possibly going to Home Depot and getting more wood so that I can do what I did over there. So yeah. Yep, I'll have to redo that. I'm gonna have to see how many cylinder blocks I need because yeah, I'll just have to go by this one because this also has some pavers here, but all I have to do is just get more cylinder blocks, and that should be good. I should be able to figure it out. So yeah, I'll probably make an L shape just the same way I did. So yeah, that's the update for this. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and this gave you ideas on, you know, protecting your plants. I will link down below. I got it from Amazon, pretty cheap. It's pretty big. This one's bigger than the one I had gotten before. So yeah, yep. So I'm really excited about that. I put that over there because I might do videos over there. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's gonna be too dark with the umbrella open, so I'll just have to figure that out. I'm not sure if I like it over there as well because like I said, I want it to look clean and organized, and I don't know if I like it over there, so I just have to decide if that's what I want to do. But anyways, as always guys, thank you guys so much for watching and just your support. I really appreciate it. I'm not an expert. I just enjoy the plants and the struggle to make them here survive in Florida is real, so I'm always looking, you know, into how to figure that out. But you guys remember, this one is looking really good. What I said about the neem oil, I'm going to mention it again because I don't know if everyone saw that. The last time I sprayed my plants with the neem oil, it looks like the neem oil had settled down because it is oil mixed with water. So it looks like it had settled down and I didn't shake the bottle, what was left of it, and I went ahead and sprayed. So it kind of created some marks, as you can see here, on my plants. So I'm hoping that that eventually goes away. But yeah, just to let you guys know that, always shake your bottle before you continue to spray. Well, you know, after it's been settled. And that's it. I'm loving this one, guys. It's looking so much better over here. It's really happy. So I just hope it stays like that. Oh, I moved this over here, guys. Isn't that cute? You know, I'm a bit frustrated because, look, someone's looking for sun. It's kind of cool out, and she's looking for some sun. Aww. So I'm a bit frustrated about this because this is meant to be outdoors and it's already rusting up, so that's pretty ridiculous. I might use some Rust-Oleum to fix it or not. I'm not sure. So yeah. Anyways, let's go say hi to Maxie and then I'll say goodbye. See how close she lets me get. I'm not getting excited. That's a great picture, Max. Why are you not looking at the camera? Are you camera shy? You're so pretty. Look at that pretty girl. Aww. What are you doing? You're such a silly girl. You're such a silly girl. You're so pretty. Are you gonna sit there for me to pet you? Maxie, you don't know it. Many people love you on YouTube. They think you're precious. They think you're precious, Maxie girl. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. You have a blessed day. Bye.